Ah, the humble meatloaf. It's a classic comfort food that has been enjoyed by many for generations. Meatloaf is typically made from ground meat, usually beef, combined with various other ingredients and baked in the shape of a loaf. Hi, this is Eric. Welcome to my kitchen. One of the reasons meatloaf has remained popular over the years is its versatility. There are countless variations and recipes for meatloaf, allowing people to tailor it to their tastes and dietary preferences. Some common additions to the meat mixture include breadcrumbs, eggs, onions, garlic, herbs, and spices. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor, but also help bind the meatloaf together. Overall, the humble meatloaf is a versatile, comforting, and delicious dish that has stood the test of time. Whether you enjoy a classic recipe or put your own spin on it, meatloaf is sure to satisfy your cravings and bring warmth to your table.